third generation 4Runner horn wiring basic edition, because I know you can get a relay for this. Well, it comes with a relay, but I'd rather just directly wire it to the stock wiring from the 4Runner that came with. So what I did is I pretty much piggyback ride these two wires right here, connect the ground to the other ground over here, as you see here. Negative black cable connects to this, which this would be going to the same connector on the bottom of this one over here. And the same thing goes for the positive. Negative positive wire connects to the other one like this, and it goes to the top one. And then there's one wire coming off of this one over here. When you disconnect the original one, I just push it to the side and put some liquid tape on it. And over here there's two wires coming out of this one. You can use a multimeter to detect which one is a 12 volt and which in my case is the bottom one. The other one I just put liquid tape as you see here, so it can preserve the ground or whatever. And now I'm just gonna connect the positive to this, so it gives power to all horns when I hit the horn. And then negative, what I did was I'm gonna connect it, as you see here, connect to both horns, and then I'm gonna route it over here to the battery negative area, ground. That's how I did my wiring, so you don't have to install another aftermarket horn wiring harness, and it works. I'm sure it's louder if you get the harness, because I believe it's 40 amps. I think this is 10 amps coming off of the vehicle, but honestly I'm not going to be honking all the time, so I don't really care. And I bought it more for aesthetics because I like how they look. Thanks for watching.